Hi, I'm the Pool Science Guy, and today we're going to talk about how to read a test strip. I want to go ahead and put this out there. There are a lot of test strips in the industry. For today's example, we're going to be using an Aqua Chek 4-in-1 test strip. This tests 4 different levels inside a pool. We call it the Big 4: pH, alkalinity, free chlorine, and stabilizer. That doesn't mean that's all you need to test for in a pool, but this is meant to give you a directional. Furthermore, you're not going to know the exact level. It's subjective to the extent of how well you can see colors, but it's going to give you an idea of what direction you should be heading. If you want a more accurate result, a DBD test kit is recommended, or going to your local pool store and getting a water sample analysis done. That'll be much more in depth. But for this example, I have a test strip here. I've verified that these test strips are good. We write the date on the top of our bottle so we know when we opened it and when we started using it. You want to make sure that your test strips are accurate before you actually try to use them. It's very simple. I'm going to take tap water that I poured into this cylinder right here, and I'm going to dip this test strip in there briefly. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom, and I'm going to pull up, give it a little tap, and then I'm going to verify the results. And so the results here are a very high pH. pH is at about, I'd say, an 8.2. Once again, it's directional. Chlorine's low. It's at about a 0.5. And alkalinity sitting right about 140. And your stabilizer is also low at about a 50. It's important for me to understand the tap water I have in my city, so that way when I'm testing water for other people, I know the foundation that I'm starting on. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, like and subscribe. Add your comments in the comment section because we want to hear from you. If you have a water test, we're more than happy to help you walk through that water test and understand the results. If you want to be added to a weekly newsletter and get pool tips, add your email to the comments and we'll get you put on the distro. Remember, I'm the Pool Science Guy. Let's talk pool science.